Hello, welcome to our series on SAP S Financial Accounting and Controlling. In our previous video, we looked at how to create the general ledger account master data. We looked at how to create the account from scratch and also using a template or copying from another general ledger account. In this video, we are going to look at how we can display our general ledger account and also make changes to it. So first off, we click Manage General Ledger Account Master Data. In our initial screen, we specify our chart of accounts. So we've been using the YCOE chart of accounts. So we then we specify our general ledger account. So in our previous video, we created two general ledger accounts. We created the clothing allowance and the staff education cost account. So we are going to search for the staff education cost allowance. We click staff to display all account with our staff in it. So here we have loans to staff and staff education cost. So we select the staff education cost, click OK, and now we search. So let's open up here. We click on the accounts. So we see the staff education cost general ledger account displayed. So see all the sites, the company code data, the general data, and all the others that we created. So we've displayed it. Now, if we want to make changes to it, we'll need to click on the edit. Now in the display mode, it is grayed out. You can't make changes to it. You can only display. At a change, you click on the edit tab. So it opens it up for us. So now we can make changes to the various items on the account. So for instance, we want to make changes in our company code data. So we click on the company code and it opens it up. So here we have our USD as our currency. For instance, we want to change our tax category. So we click on this and we go. So we select all types. So we select this one instead of the very first one. And we go down. If there are other changes we want to make, we do that. So there are no changes we want to make. So we move back to our general ledger screen. So if there are no changes to be made, you just click on Save to save your changes. Your SAP account has been saved successfully. Thank you for watching this video. We hope to see you in our next video.